Welcome back to the Right Now Powder Coating channel. Today we are going to break down the pros and cons of powder coating. So whether you're just considering it for your next project or you're curious about what makes it so popular, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. First, a quick refresher. So powder coating is a finishing process that involves applying a dry powder to a surface and then curing it with heat. It's known for its durability, vibrant colors, and its eco-friendly process. But like anything, it's not perfect. Let's start with some of the advantages. Powder coating has got a lot going for it. Here are some of the top benefits that you're going to find. Durability. Powder-coated finishes are tough, resistant to chipping, scratching, and fading when done properly. They're perfect for high wear items like wheels and outdoor furniture. It's also a very environmentally friendly product. Unlike traditional liquid paints, powder coating doesn't have any solvents. That means fewer emissions and a cleaner process. Versatility. You can coat almost any metal item, and the color options are endless. From a matte black to a metallic finish to a glow in the dark. There's something for everybody. Cost effective over time. Well, the initial setup might be a little bit more expensive than a liquid spray setup. Powder coating lasts much longer, and the cost of the powder is much cheaper in the long run, saving you money. Those all sound pretty good, right? Now hold on, there are some drawbacks. No process is perfect, and powder coating has its own challenges. Upfront costs. The equipment like spray guns, ovens, and booths can be very expensive on the initial investment, especially for beginners. Limited materials. When you're going to apply powder to a substrate, it helps if the product is conductive, such as a metal or non-ferrous metal product. You can coat some plastic and MDF or wood products. It just takes a special process. Repair difficulty. While durable, powder coating surfaces are much harder to touch up than painted ones. A scratch or a chip usually means you're recoating the entire part to get a uniform finish. Specialized setup. You're going to need the proper equipment and tools to process your parts and get them ready for powder, including possibly a sandblaster, strip tank, powder coating application equipment, and coating curing equipment, as well as a lot of know-how just to get started. Thickness limitations. While it provides a great finish, powder coating can struggle with very thin or detailed surfaces without risking an uneven coverage. Now, these cons are very important to consider, especially when you're new to powder coating or working with a tight budget. So where does powder coating really shine? Here are a few common applications. For the automotive world, it's anything from wheels to frames to brackets and other parts that put the vehicle together. When it comes to outdoor furniture, it's perfect for weather resistance, wear, and it's great for patio use. Industrial equipment. Heavy duty machinery often gets powder coated because of its long life and durability. Home projects. Do-it-yourselfers love it for projects like bike frames, railings, and decorative items. Now, it's clear that powder coating is incredibly versatile and ideal for projects that need a long-lasting, perfect finish. If you're debating whether you should go with a powder coat versus a liquid coating, consider these questions. Are you working with a metal surface? Do you need a durable professional finish? And can you afford the initial investment on equipment or services? If you answered yes to these questions, powder coating could be a game changer for your projects. If not, traditional paint might be a better fit. For those of you who answered yes to the questions and are curious about powder coating equipment, feel free to check out my Electron site at ctsainc.com, or you can email me or my partner Dan at ctsainc.com or Ray at ctsainc.com for the most professional, affordable powder coating equipment on the market. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you got something out of this video. Let us know down in the comments what you think about powder coating, or if you have any tips or questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so that you're notified anytime we upload a new video. Until next time, keep coating.